Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. Today let us discuss how to use filters in PostgreSQL. Let's get into the video. Today we will learn how to use filters in PostgreSQL. Let us use a customer table which is in supermarket database which we restored in our previous videos. So now we select the query editor for the whole database. We'll select the query editor for whole database, not for any single table. So in customer table, we have customer ID, name, age, country, and so on columns. So first, let us discuss in keyword. Okay. in. So basically, in is used to reduce the multiple OR conditions. So in filters, based on the list of values, either one should match the query. Either any one should match. So select star from customer where city in. We tell that city should be either Los Angeles or San Francisco. Either it should be Los Angeles or San Francisco. Now let us run this. Now if we could see, city has either Los Angeles or San Francisco. Totally we have 99 columns. Normally we would have written city equal to San Francisco or city equal to Los Angeles. So to avoid two conditions, we use in. To reduce the number of OR statement, we are using in. Okay. Now if I need for 10 cities, then I will have 10 conditions which will make the query big. That's why we are using in. So the second one we are using between and. Here we are using a query select star from customer where age between 20 and 30. Normally we use age greater than or equal to 20 and age less than or equal to 30. Instead of this we are using between and. So to get the values between a range, we use between and operator. So select star from customer where age between 20 and 30. Which means select the customer whose age is greater than or equal to 20 and their age should not be more than 30. Okay. Now, if we see, we will be able to see only the customer whose age is greater than 20 and their age is less than 30. 20 is also included and 30 is also included. So now, if we do the same thing with greater than or less than operator, we'll get the same 150 rows. So is it only possible for numbers? No, it is also possible for date. So where we want to filter using range, then we go for between and operator. Select star from sales where ship date is between these two dates. So let's run this. So now I'm able to see it is between those two dates. So next we'll see the third one as like operator. So like is actually used to filter using regex pattern. So the data would be matched using the pattern. So for this we have wildcard. Percentage is a wildcard and underscore is a wildcard. Percentage means 0 or more characters can be matched. So underscore means only one character can be matched. If we give VI percentage, so after VI we can have any number of values, even it can be 0. So for which all the customer names, so we'll run one example for which all the customer names start with JO. We can get those customers JO and then whatever the data can be. The name can be either JO, John, anything, but it should start with JO or it can be only JO. I need the data like that. So here I'm using JO percentage. Percentage as a wildcard. Let us run this query. So now we get Joel, Jonathan, and all these. After JO, there are values. This is how percentage works. Now the data should have OD. Percentage, now I write percentage OD percentage. The data should have OD anywhere in name. It can be in the start from OD, it can be OD can be in between, or OD can be the last. So if we could see this data, OD is there. Todd, Hood, OD in the last. There is no character after D here. So this is how we use like statement. Next, we'll try for underscore. So the next, the data should be like yes underscore ettle. The data should be yes and any one character and then ettle. Only one character between yes and e. Next, the customer name should start with G and then we can have any number of characters. So today we have gone through in, between and like filters. So this is how we use filters in Postgres. So in our next video, let us discuss more about SQL and SQL analytics. Until then, it is bye from our favorite We and Data channel.